Here's how you can set up all your YouTube videos to be published and shared through your social media accounts, whether that's Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever, automatically through the RSS feed. Did you know that YouTube provides an RSS feed? RSS feed allows you to automatically publish new blogs, or in this case, new videos from a particular website, or in this case, your specific YouTube channel, without you having to cut and paste the URL for each and every video that you upload in your channel and then put it on each and every one of your social media accounts, which eats up a lot of your time. Let's get into it. Here is my YouTube channel. We're going to go over to YouTube Studio. Okay? And then from the studio, you're going to go down to Settings. From Settings, you're going to go to Channel and then Advanced. We're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Manage your YouTube account. From there, you now can go to Advanced Settings, and there you want to copy your channel ID only, not your user ID. You want to copy your channel ID. Now, from there, we're going to go into GoHighLevel, Marketing, Social Planner, and in the Social Planner, you're going to create a new post. And we're going to go down to RSS posts. And from the RSS posts, you need to type in the URL. Now, there is a format for YouTube RSS feed. And the format is this. And you can see here is my RSS feed with my channel, and I've turned it on, so you can go into content to check your RSS feed. Obviously, you can have more than one. If there's a blog, for instance, that pertains to your niche and it's got valuable information, by all means, grab that RSS feed and, schedule it to post throughout your social media, saving you a great deal of time. No more cutting and pasting is necessary. Yeah, and that's it. See, and this is what it looks like. So, but I have it on my Facebook, my Instagram, and my LinkedIn. Okay, so I hope that this will help you really ramp up views, traffic to your YouTube channel. If you found this content useful, hey, won't you please give us a like and a share, because this saves a lot of time. Even if you're not looking to monetize your YouTube channel, you just want to get your media out there to promote yourself, your services, your niche, this is a super easy way. I mean, it just cuts down on so much time, hours of time cutting and pasting links to each and every one of your social media when you can just have it done automatically. So thank you so much for watching. This is Annette from Real Leads Finder Pro, signing out.
If you're new to GoHighLevel and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses. The Success Hub is a step-by-step video library built for beginners with ongoing training on automations, AI tools, reputation management, and real marketing strategies. Visit realleadsfinder.com for more information.